been a while since we finished the track, but we haven't actually tested it yet. So we're going to go on our first lap and see what we need to improve, make it a bit more difficult since it looks pretty easy at the moment. So I'll go see how it goes. Well, that didn't work, but that wasn't even a part of the track anyway. I just saw it and thought I'd give it a shot, but didn't quite make it. So we'll finish off the rest of the track and I'll see you at the top. Just like we thought, it was a bit easy, so we're gonna have to do a few bits and pieces to fix it up, make it a bit harder, just like the hill climb, make it a bit steeper and longer, and the mud hole, wait until it's got a bit more water in it after it rains or something, but it was pretty slippery, so it'll be good to see how it is when it's full. And the wheel lift area we'll leave that alone, it was pretty good, went well. And for the ruts, might extend them a bit longer, but besides that, definitely better than we thought it was gonna be. but there's definitely room for improvement. So once we get the track up to how we want it to be, a bit harder, we'll then get into the camping area we're going to do. A bit of an outdoor bar with a fireplace and just a camping spot. So that'll be a nice addition. So that's all for today. Finally, a bit of a break from just the talking videos. You got to see some driving, so I hope you liked that, and we'll see you next time.